What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to use the emergency key that comes in the fob for a Hyundai Sonata. We're going to be demonstrating on a 2017 Hyundai Sonata in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. And this is only going to apply to the Sonatas that have a push-button start ignition. So the reason why you would need to use your emergency key is if the vehicle's locked and either the battery in the fob dies or the battery in the vehicle dies. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key from our fob. That's done by pressing this button here, and the key will slide out like that. And now we'll just simply use this key to unlock the driver's door. And then from there, you can pop the hood if the battery in your vehicle's dead. If you need to know how to start your vehicle with a dead key fob, we've covered that in another video, and I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.